Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Instagram. Whenever you open it, you got the error couldn't refresh feeds. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, I suggest you to completely log out from your Instagram account. Once you are logged in, go ahead and click on the option forgot password at the login screen and then reset your password. After resetting the password, re-log in and then it will fix out the issue of couldn't refresh the feed. If this failed to work out, in next step you need to take the help of a laptop. Open up your laptop and open the website instagram.com. From here you need to log in into your account. Whichever your account is, go ahead and log in, and as soon as you log in you get an error message saying you violated Instagram rules, and next to it you will find the option of continue. Go ahead and you need to click on the option continue, and as soon as you press the option continue, your feeds started to refresh and it will fix out the issue of couldn't refresh the feeds while logging the Instagram. If this also failed to work out, let's proceed with the third step. In third step, you need to take the help of an iPhone. Yes, if you do not have an iPhone, borrow an iPhone from one of your friends for about 5 minutes to fix out the issue. So take help of an iPhone, and in iPhone you need to open the browser. Now in browser you need to choose the private tab, and over here you need to open instagram.com. Now in Instagram account, once you open instagram.com, go ahead and log in onto your account. Log in either using your user ID and password or directly using the Facebook account. Now you are logged in into the Instagram account. Now once you logged in into the Instagram, you again encounter the same error, couldn't refresh feeds. So at this point of time you need to refresh this particular page. To do so, simply go ahead and swipe down to refresh the page at least 5 to 6 times this way. Keep on swiping down this particular page at least 4 to 5 times, and after swiping for 4 to 5 times, right in this top right corner you will find the option of open next to the Instagram account. Go ahead and click on this option open. Now here click on your profile icon, then continuously pressing different icons present right over here in this bottom, like profile, home, search, profile, videos. You need to press these icons at least 4 to 5 times, and once it is done, again head over to your home page and then refresh the feeds, and this will completely fix out the issue of couldn't refresh feed while launching the Instagram. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.